can see stainless steel. If you look at the side, it's all stained. I've got my phone to show you some light, and this is the bit. See that? So, and you can look inside. I'm using the light from my mobile phone. It's really neglected. Great. First thing I do is this. This you can put it to the dishwasher, but you can on off it as well. All you need to do is spray on off on it, let it rest, get some kitchen towel, watch, see? Look now. All alone. Oh, by the way, this degreases and sanitizes. Of course, when you're cleaning your microwave, health and safety, always turn the microwave off. I got to a point where, to make sure not to have any surprises, I actually get the plug out. I personally think you should. And I close it. I'm gonna leave it a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds, 1 minute, to break through the fat. Remember that it's dried on fat. And I'm going to do the outside with the same bottle. Open. I can give it another spray because we have enough on off, and so will you. And gonna dump scourer. And there's a new old microwave.